Okay, an update on this bed project. I've got the bar on one, so I'll repaint this, and because some of the existing bed had these in it anyway, there's always an element of something showing, so I put these on the outside just for strength. So this is the old original bar, so I will paint this all again. And got the first lot of stairs in. I'll probably paint this one here to keep it in line. I'll keep this as the natural wood. I've just glued these into place to cover up, certainly for the top three, because you can see the screws, and I don't think we need it under these. But yeah, it's the first one in. I've made the stairs for the second one. They'll go in tomorrow with the bar. I'm quite relieved that I managed to get this end in without having to drill through from here. I've got the dowels in and then supported by these, just because at that end there wouldn't be the room to drill in from the wall side. I didn't really fancy pulling the bed right out to get in that, so I'm glad that I perfected that technique there. Obviously I had the space to drill in from this side if I needed, but I really wanted to get a solution without it, because this will be the mirror image, so the dowels will be in that end and it will come towards here, and the ladder's going to be similar position where it is there, so in relation to that blank bed, because they're going to have a table at the top bit here when I get to it, and I've also got to build a cupboard in the middle bit here, so we'll get there in time. But this is looking good. I'm happy with that. My wife tried going up the first couple of steps, so it seems strong. I think it's beautiful wood. I love the natural piece of wood and stuff, so yeah, I'm happy. So these are all glued in. So I drilled down to create these pieces. I think I took some photos of that, and then just to cover it up for decoration, so the screw pieces are missing and stuff, and there's nothing sticking out. But yeah, I'm happy with that. I was a bit nervous about today trying to get this up, but I do think when it's painted, and it will blend in a lot more. Get these screws covered up with a little bit of paint, so a bit similar to how these screws have been covered up. But yeah, I think that's quite secure at the top. The girls aren't, they're not young, so they're not small, they're not gonna roll through that bar. So they're well and truly secured up top. And yeah, making good progress. So this has been a day's effort, but having built and cut all this, hopefully tomorrow I can get that done in the morning, just like this side, and then get on to what will be the cupboard and stuff. So and also I need decorative pieces, so I need to decide what I'm doing to cover up these inside columns, and what I have left and what that looks like. So I still have wood, still getting through it, but I've got some bits for that, and this is all the kind of stuff for the cupboards. So yeah, that's great. All right.